Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another long, cozy, friendly episode of Chalkboard English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And today we're spending some time together talking about one of the happiest, tastiest, and easiest topics in English, your favorite food.
We're going to take things slow, relaxed, and very friendly, so you can listen while you walk, cook, clean, rest, or study. No pressure, just simple English.
By the end, you'll know exactly how to describe flavors, textures, ingredients, cooking styles, and your personal preferences, all in natural English.
Let's get comfy and begin. Let's start simple. Repeat after me. I like. I love. My favorite food is.
These are the easiest ways to talk about food. For example, I like pizza. I love chicken soup. My favorite food is sushi.
Try it yourself. Think of a food you enjoy. Now say, I like blank. My favorite food is blank.
Great. Now let's learn some more useful beginner phrases. I enjoy. I really like. I'm a big fan of. I often eat.
Here are some examples. I'm a big fan of pasta. I often eat rice with vegetables. I really like cheeseburgers.
Now, food has flavors. Here are the most common ones. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, and savory or umami.
Let's practice with examples. Chocolate is sweet. Chips are salty. Lemons are sour. Coffee can be bitter. Ramen is savory. Curry is spicy.
Now you try. My favorite food is. It is. Here is an example. My favorite food is mango. It is sweet.
Here are polite, natural questions. What's your favorite food? What do you like to eat? What's your comfort food? What food makes you happy? What food do you eat often?
Let's model a short conversation.
Hey, Mike, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is tacos. They're spicy and savory.
Perfect. That's how you keep the conversation natural. Texture means how something feels in your mouth. Here are useful words. Crunchy, crispy, soft, creamy, chewy, tender, juicy, smooth, thick, thin.
Here are examples. Fried chicken is crispy. Chocolate mousse is creamy. Steak can be tender. Grapes are juicy. Cookies are crunchy.
Try some sentences. My favorite dessert is creamy. I like crunchy snacks.
Temperature words are important. Here are some examples. Hot, blarm, cold, chilled, frozen, and spicy hot, like heat from peppers.
Here are some example sentences. I like hot soup. I enjoy cold drinks. I love warm bread. Frozen yogurt is delicious.
Now repeat. My favorite food is best when it's frozen, cold, warm, sweet, salty.
Let's go deeper with flavor words. Rich, light, mild, strong, fruity, smoky, buttery, tangy, flavorful, bland. This means no flavor.
Here are some examples. The sauce is rich. The soup is light but tasty. The cheese has a strong flavor. The chicken is smoky. The lemonade is tangy.
Try it. My favorite food tastes blank, tangy, smoky, rich.
Here are common ways to cook food: boiled, baked, fried, grilled, roasted, steamed, sautéed, stir-fried, slow-cooked, microwaved.
Here are some examples. I like grilled chicken. I love baked potatoes. I often cook stir-fried vegetables. My mom makes roasted fish.
Ingredients are what the food is made of. Here are some useful sentences. It's made with, it has, it includes, the main ingredient is.
Here are some examples. Pizza is made with cheese, tomato sauce, and dough. Sushi has rice, seaweed, and fish.
Food is culture. You can say, this dish is from Italy. It's a traditional Korean dish. It's popular in my country. It's a national food.
Here is an example conversation. Sarah, where is your favorite food from?
My favorite food is ramen. It's from Japan.
Let's act out a simple, friendly restaurant conversation.
Hello, welcome. What would you like to eat?
Hi, I'd like a bowl of vegetable soup, please.
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a cold lemonade, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. Let's talk about nostalgia. You can say, when I was a kid, I loved. My childhood favorite was. My mom used to make.
Story example. When I was a kid, my mom used to make warm apple pie. The smell filled the whole house. It was sweet, fruity, and comforting.
Mike, what's a food that reminds you of home?
Homemade soup. My grandma made a simple chicken soup with noodles, vegetables, and herbs. It was warm, comforting, and full of flavor.
I love that. For me, it's rice and curry. My family's recipe was creamy, spicy, and full of color.
Using advanced phrases. It has a perfect balance of flavors. It's incredibly refreshing. It melts in your mouth. It's very filling. It hits the spot. It's comfort food for me.
Here are some examples. This pasta has a perfect balance of garlic and herbs. This smoothie is incredibly refreshing.
Use these. I think. In my opinion. For me. Personally, I prefer. I believe.
Here are some examples. I personally prefer spicy food. In my opinion, homemade food is healthier.
Next, let's talk about some ways to compare foods. Here are some comparison phrases. A is better than B. I prefer A to B. A is sweeter than B. This dish is lighter than that one.
Here is an example. I prefer sushi to pizza because it's lighter. Let's do a long, natural conversation. Sarah, what's your absolute favorite food?
My absolute favorite food is homemade ramen. I love the warmth, the soft noodles, the savory broth, and the chewy meat in fresh vegetables.
That sounds amazing. What makes it special?
It's comforting, it's rich, flavorful, and you can customize it.
What ingredients do you usually put in it?
Eggs, mushrooms, green onions, seaweed, and pork. And a spicy broth, of course.
Nice. For me, my favorite food is fresh mango. Sweet, juicy, soft, delicious. Repeat after me. My favorite food is. I like it because it tastes. It feels. It reminds me of. It's made with. It's from.
Great job. Now repeat these. I prefer. I enjoy. I love eating. It has a perfect flavor.
Food is the easiest and happiest way to practice English.
Talk about your favorite dishes. Describe flavors. Share your culture.
With simple vocabulary and confidence, you can connect with anyone.
Thanks for spending time with us today learning how to describe your favorite foods.
This is Chalkboard English. Signing off. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep enjoying delicious food.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the Chalkboard English channel to be notified when we release another great English learning lesson.